हाय एवरीवन, आई एम प्रशांत चौहान एंड जो हमारा आज का टॉपिक है इसमें हम बात करने वाले हैं दैट हाउ टू कनेक्ट G Suite domain name with your hosting servers. Okay, here I have a domain which I have bought from G Suite while I was just creating an account in G Suite. Now I have bought another hosting service from HostGator. So what I want to connect my domain to my hosting so that I can create my website in WordPress. Okay, for that reason I need to connect my domain with my hosting servers, right? So I have two name servers provided by HostGator. So I have written down those two name servers and I'll paste those two name servers into the DNS record of my G Suite domain details. All right, okay, so we'll start step by step. So the first thing you're gonna do here is just go to this URL gsuite.google.co.in because I'm from India, so I have started with gsuite.co.in, right? Okay, so once you do this, you go to the admin console. All right, so I clicked over here, so I already have login with my account. Now I'm just going to the admin console. You can see here there are lots of things over here, lots of things for your handling purpose, billing, reports and dashboard for everything, so many users and email address you want to create. So these are the different things that you want to do, right? But our main target is right here in the left bottom. You can see domains, manage your domains, right? So click over here. It's very easy process. So here we have two domains it's showing us. So click here, manage domains. So we have this our client's domain right here, and you can see the primary domain, but here you cannot see any DNS details, right? Everything is just so messed up, you cannot check details from here. All right, so what you need to do here is view details section, right? Once you click on view details, it will open this pop-up from the right side, and here are other things that you can see when you bought this domain and what are the things that's going here. Okay, so what you can do, here's one more thing you can see, manage your domain subscription, how you want to manage it, right? It is showing you who is and DNS records, right? So this is the one thing which we really want to click on, and you go here, manage domain, right? So again, there's one more thing which I really want to tell you exactly, that you can follow this process from different angle also, right? Okay, so how we started, we have gone to this admin console from G Suite, and there's another way. So you can directly go to domains.google.com. okay, so let me show you that one more time, domains.google.com, right? So all your domains that will be registered with your email ID would have been replicated here. So you can see that too here, right? It's visible. See, the same page has opened up, right? It's the same page, right? तो आप यहाँ से भी handle कर सकते हो. You can handle it from here as well, right? So okay. So next part is here. I'm gonna close one of them, right? So here you can see there are so many things. You can check your email, where from you are, and all those details regarding reports and DNS settings and everything, right? But we don't require anything else. We just require this one thing which is called DNS, domain name server, right? कि हमारे जो डोमेन का नेम सर्वर है उसको हमें बदलना है अपने होस्टिंग के नेम सर्वर से, राइट? तो हमारे होस्टिंग के नेम सर्वर्स को हम DNS में अपडेट करेंगे. देखिए ये सेम प्रोसेस हम फॉलो करते हैं. वी फॉलो द सेम प्रोसेस एवरीवेयर, राइट? एवरीवेयर वी नीड टू चेंज डोमेन्स नेम सर्वर from the hosting's name server, right? Okay, so you can see it will be on default, will be set here in use the Google name servers. Once you come here earlier, so it would be replicated like this. Always it will be default on Google domain name servers, like it will replicate like this, and other details will be here, so that doesn't matter here. So what I want you guys to do is like once you are here in DNS record, just click on use custom name servers. Although I have edited my name servers, so I'm just gonna remove one of them so that you can see. Okay, so I already have changed this, so it will make effect on 48 hours. So in Google services, what is the thing, because it's very secure, so you need to patience a lot, right? Sometimes your email is not verified and everything that comes along, so you need to check all these things particularly. Okay, there will be one more thing. जब आप अपना name server change करोगे, once you will be changing your name server, it will show you one more thing, DNSSEC, right? Domain name system security extensions. Domain name system security extension help protect your domain from domain name servers threats, okay? like cache poison attacks and DNS spoofing. So these kind of attacks sometimes happens to your domain and everything. So just to protect that, what we do, we just turn this off while we are going to connect our name servers here. Okay, so it will showcase you, okay, if you have DNSSEC on, security is on, then just turn it off so that your domain can get connected. If you won't do that, it will harm you. Your website will not be started with this thing. Your domain will not be get connected, right? So once you do that, it will take around 24 hours of time, okay, to just up to 48 hours it shows like, but within 24 hours it just get connected and your site will get hosted. Your domain will get hosted and connected with the HostGator or whatever server or whatever service provider you are using with the same domain name server details, right? So the things are done here. I've edited that and my details are saved here, so you can do the same thing as well. Rest, if you need any other assistance, you can contact me for that too. Although the things are done here, so you can just sign out from the domain name server here and from G Suite. Again, you need to go to your cPanel and create your website. Alright, for any other details you can just message me right here. Alright, thank you.